In today's tutorial, learn how to buy a domain name at GoDaddy. Depending on your location, the homepage may look different. Search for a domain name. In the search bar located at the top of the page, type the domain name you would like to purchase and press the search button. Skip the premium domains. These are already registered to another entity and they are reselling them at GoDaddy for a ridiculous price. Check the availability of the domain name. GoDaddy will display a list of available domain names that match your search criteria. When you see a domain you like, click the question mark icon to learn about the promotional price terms. The first year will be cheaper and the second year price will be different. When you are ready to choose the domain you would like to purchase, go and click on the Add to Cart button. Then click on the same button to continue to cart. On this page you will see some additional services and products. I suggest only selecting the free privacy domain protection. Do not check the free website option. This is not actually free. They will charge you a fee on automatic billing. I hate that they do this kind of sneaky hidden fees tactics. Then click on the button Continue to Cart. In your cart page, click the drop-down menu and select 1-year term. Make sure the domain name and any additional services you have selected are correct, along with the right prices. Click the Pay button when you are ready. On this page, if you don't already have a GoDaddy account, you will need to create one in order to buy a domain. You can use your Facebook or Google account to create your GoDaddy account. If you don't have either, then you can create an account with your email. After creating your account or logging into your GoDaddy account, you will now be asked to provide payment information to complete the purchase. You can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or other accepted forms of payment. If everything is correct, click the Complete Purchase button. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased a domain name at GoDaddy. You will receive an email confirmation with all the details of your purchase. Please note that the process of purchasing a domain name may be different depending on your location, the availability of the domain name, and any additional services you have selected. Please subscribe to my channel How to Webmaster for more tutorials on managing your domain name, setting up web hosting, and more. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.